So I can't say that you guys are actually experts yet at Magic Zap. I can't say, okay, hey, you guys are complete experts, but I can tell you if you go in and actually try using the software and start implementing it in your landing pages, implement it in your marketing process, you're going to see a lot more conversions, which means you're going to have more money. You will make more sales if you implement this software. I know because I've implemented it in my own business practices, and I've got more sales as a result of it. All right, but the more that you use it, the more you're going to master it. But I do kind of want to show you just some other things inside here. So if you ever want to upgrade your subscription, then you can do this at your payment information here. All right, I don't need to do anything. I haven't attached a card yet because lucky for me, I get to use the software for free. All right, if you want to upgrade your membership at any time, you can just go to this upgrade, and you can upgrade or downgrade your membership at any time. And if you ever need any help, then you can just go to the help tab, and you'll be able to go in and actually watch all the different training videos. You're watching one of them right now, so hopefully you know where that training tab is because you're watching one of the training videos right now. All right, over here you can just see some stats, how many total zaps that you have, how many different page views there's been, and how many total zaps have actually been triggered. If you want to change your password, you can change your password right here. All right. Looks like I'm missing a little X there to get out of that. And then if you want to change your profile information, you can change your profile information by clicking right here. If you need any type of support, then that support you can get just by clicking right up here, and you can find our little chat bot, and you can ask for any type of support that you need. Just, send us a message and we'll send you a message back. If you want to request any type of features in Magic Zap, you can always just go in and request whatever feature that you want here. That will go directly to our engineers, and we'll take a look at that. And then if you want to actually log out of the system, you can just log out by clicking that button right there. So now you should kind of have a good understanding of everything that you can find inside Magic Zap and how to use it and how to implement it